who is the cool robot? Yes, he is HolaBot, a collecting robot integrated safety, intelligence, and large capacity. So, how does he work? So many big and heavy dishes. Just call him. Look, here he comes. Before he arrives, you can focus on clearing the table. HolaBot can accurately detect obstacles and automatically avoid them. Now he reminds you that he has arrived. When approaching you, he will send an arrival notice to the calling pager. Call his name, and HolaBot will aim the loading bin at you. The dishes will be returned. Where's he going? He will go to the second and third calling points. HolaBot can respond to the multiple requests in turn and go to destinations. HolaBot has finished the load and goes to the dishwashing room. HolaBot will inform you when arriving the dishwashing room. Get all the dishes. Don't touch it with your hands. Just pass across the head sensor from a distance. He will return to the waiting area. This is HolaBot, a powerful collecting robot with 60 kilograms loading weight and quadruple efficiency of a waiter. No matter in a coffee shop, a hospital, or a restaurant, HolaBot will quickly respond to your every call.